Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to be doing what I like to call odds and ends. Going to get the controls back on the handlebars, install the rear brake light, install the new turn signal covers with the trim rings on the rear of the bike. I also want to get the front fender primed, the saddlebags, and the covers for the saddlebags. And I'm sure there's going to be more stuff I'm going to do, but we'll see as the day progresses.
Jones just step in and play well. If they go and spend it that, do they get lucky? Williams, the kid from Alabama at 21, or Olave.
I got to say, we got a lot done. The bike is coming together nicely. That rear LED brake light, I think, looks pretty decent. And those turn signal lights came out all right with those trim rings. Those are aftermarket trim rings. They're nothing special, but they look pretty cool. And what's nice about that is when it lights up here, it also lights up the reflector on the side. So it's kind of different. The LED tail light, these are aftermarket LED lights, so the fit was not perfect. So I had to shave down a little bit of the side here. You can't see it, it's on the inside. So after doing that, it fit. It fit, and it looks pretty good. Air cleaner is on. The lower fairing with the control switches is in place. Fairing's looking really good. Control, clutch lever, clutch is all back in place like it should be. And the mount for the front turn signals / driving lights is on with the air dam. So got quite a bit done here. I got all the wiring zip tied where it's supposed to be. The antenna for the radio is on. That actually works really good. I've never gotten so many channels out of this radio before. Most of the time it would come in with static. Harley-Davidson power antenna. Bought it used. Even used it wasn't cheap. I gotta tell you, I think it's worth the money. I'm not sure where you're supposed to mount this thing. I put it right on top of the radio with 3M sticky tape. And I just wrapped the wiring up. I don't know why they give you so much wire. I don't know if you're supposed to put this on another spot on the bike, but that's where I'm keeping it, right there inside the fairing. The 6-inch speakers, I listened to them today. They're not bad. You know, it's not an expensive speaker. Sound quality is pretty decent. It's pretty much what I expected from them. So I'm happy with those. So I was able to get the front fender primed. The 2 top lids for the bags are primed. Both bags are primed. I need to do a final sanding on those and get them ready for paint. I still haven't touched the luggage box or tall pack and the lid for that. The reason I did these things today was I only had enough primer to do those pieces. So the tall pack I didn't even touch. And I figured out I'll just get on the bike, get some more stuff back on there that I can put back on. All right, that's all I got for today. Any comments or questions, you know what to do. Put them down below. If the next video is posted, the link will be on your top right-hand corner. If not, till next time, you all ride safe and God bless.